Hey guys.
Mario, I'm Luigi.
And I'm Mario.
And today, some of y'all said y'all forgot how to say it, do it, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Get out the camera, stupid. So y'all told me to do it again. Wait, I didn't say that. Just kidding. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you once again. This is the second part of the video.
I'm alive.
I'm gonna show y'all. Let me want to make mine. So the SpongeBob, I did mine out of shirts and cardboard. He did that as a paper and paper.
Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna play with it over here.
Yeah, see, look. So, oh, yeah, we forgot to tell y'all something. You need cotton.
Yeah, y'all need cotton. This is part 2, because we forgot to tell y'all something.
Yeah.
Y'all need cotton.
Cotton? See,
y'all can see cotton. Y'all can kind of see the cotton. Let me just see. Look. Y'all can see the cotton in there, right? Look.
And yeah, y'all can actually see our bed. We sleep in a really tall bed. We just jump on here.
Like this.
Jump. And yeah, so did you squish it? And yeah, actually, y'all need to go to.
And y'all look, y'all can squish it.
So I'm gonna tell y'all. So y'all can actually use paper,
yes,
a shirt,
yes,
and cardboard,
yes,
and tape.
Yes.
Whatever y'all got at home, just use tape.
Your parents let you allow it or something.
Yeah. So you can use shirt, cardboard, paper, and y'all can actually use tape, glue, or sew. Y'all can use sew.
Sewing.
Yeah. Yeah, the most important
thing, Gorilla Glue.
Yeah, or glue. The most important thing, you need cotton.
Yes.
And
if y'all don't have cotton, it's just gonna be a
flat paper.
Yeah, flat blob.
Yeah. Or y'all could use like water to do it, squish it, something.
Yeah, and then y'all can
Yeah, you only need clear water.
If y'all use water and do it, if y'all use water and paper, it's gonna wet the paper. So y'all just use cardboard and water.
Cardboard or
2 pieces of cardboard and 1 cup of water.
Yeah, so
or that 10.
So cotton will make it kind of squishy. Cotton will make it kind of squishy when you use water.
When you use water, you can like let me show y'all. Y'all can just
make a hole in your squishy.
If y'all want to drink out of it, it's nasty.
Yeah. So we're gonna do pranks at school. You could actually do. That's why we made the video.
Yeah.
So first, you're gonna need soda. I'm just gonna tell y'all because I can't do it because Mario won't let me. So you're gonna need. So it's like FGTV's video. I don't know why it's called Go watch his video.
Yeah, type in FGTV makes candy hacks.
School hacks. And yeah, you can actually bring this to school. Don't let your teacher see it. You can actually bring the squishy to school.
Yeah, but I gotta stay home because one of my
Mario friends.
One of my workers got corona, so I gotta stay home and do computer.
We have to say that out loud.
I don't know.
And yeah, I don't know.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, don't. So that's how it's gonna be today. It's called. Actually, hold on. I gotta go to the bathroom. So the video is actually called "Forget How to Make Squishies." That's gonna be the video, okay, yes. Mario? Forget how to make the squishy. I'm gonna say it one more time. Forget how to
make squishies. And go to our video and you'll see it.
Yes.
Don't type. Just type in them 2 guys. Go to like where all the screens are. and then go to videos, and then swipe down.
Until you see them two guys with Buzz Bunny and Yoshi.
Yeah.
And let me say one more time. Forget how to make squishy. Forget how to make squishy.
Go to our video and y'all see it.
Forget how to make squishy.
It's going to be called Forget How to Make